Okay, I want to show you real quickly how I create some things and put them in Dropbox and get them to like explain everything or other apps from Dropbox. So the first thing is in Word or Pages or whatever you have, you're going to create your graphic organizer. Now, I'm just going to real quickly show you how to do that. I'm in Pages. If you want to purchase Pages, you can. All you have to do is go to the App Store. It costs $20. You just search for Pages. It's really a great buy, really, and you can export it as a Word document and so forth. So, like if I were going to make this, I download a lot of cool fonts and things from Teachers Pay Teachers, so you might want to go there. I can tell you who to go to if you want to know. And I also get all the cute borders and stuff. So basically, this is just a border. And I'm not going to, you know how to get borders. I mean, you just go to insert picture. But I'm just going to copy this border here, make it bigger. And then I'm using the layout portion of Pages. It's not the word processing, which makes it real simple to layer. You can also do that in PowerPoint, but you just get a text box. You type out your problem, and make it as big as you want. Change your font to whatever size. Put it in the middle, and then you go to your shapes, and you can just make it as big. So this is kind of their working space. You can change the fill to whatever color you want. You can change the size of your line. You can make a shadow so it looks a little bit different. And then what I do, there's lots of different ways you can do it, but what I do is I click on, for my Mac, Command-Shift-4, and that will allow me to take a picture of my page. And then I just open up my Dropbox folder, and whatever I'm going to go to, I'm going to put it in here. I will just take that screenshot and just drag it in here. So now it's in there. Okay, so now what I want to do is show you how to get the stuff from Dropbox in to explain everything. The first thing you're going to do is click on this plus sign, and you're going to go to File. And down here you're going to notice that you've got all of these options that you can choose from. Dropbox is one of them, so you be sure to click on it. It's just like little tabs. So we're on Dropbox. You're more than likely going to open up to your actual Dropbox, all your folders. So just go to the folder that you want. If you mess up, you can just go back and forth. So like if I didn't really want that, I can go back to comparing numbers. Go to the right file, and then I'm just going to click on the one I want. It's going to load. I'll just press done up here, and then I'll click on another file that I want. I want the transparent counter. Press done, and notice it's real big, so I want to make it smaller. Oh, and you know what? I forgot to tell you. See how this is moving around? I don't want that. And I actually want it bigger. So I'm going to keep it like that. As big as I can. Oops. And then I'm going to click on the eye right here, click on my chart, and then set it as background. So now when I move, it won't move. And now I can size my little dot so that it'll fit in the right spot. And then I'll just put it over here to the side. So now that I have the chart on here and it's created, this is what I want the students to have for their work. All I have to do is I go down here to this button, whoops, right here. I'm going to click on it, and then I need to save my project, so I've called it 100s chart. I'm going to click on export to, and then I'm just going to send it to Dropbox. When I send it to Dropbox, I'll just put it in whatever folder that I want it to go in. And so I'm just going to click on where I've had it for my comparing numbers, and I'll just stick it in my Tuesday file, and I'll hit export right up here, and it's going to upload to Dropbox. So now that I've done that, I'm going to show you how to put it in your Shobi account. So now that I've got it in Dropbox, I'm just going to go into Shobi, and I'm going to create a new assignment. And my assignment, I've got 3 classrooms, but it's probably just going to have one classroom that you'll be using. I'm just going to title it 100s chart, or daily math. Let's do it like this, daily math Tuesday, because that's what we're using it for. And whatever, I'm going to just use my end of the year, because I don't want to have to make this every time. I'm just going to make the end of the year be my due date, so I don't have to make these every week. And so down here's my daily math Tuesday. I click on it and I go to add files, and I'll just find where I saved that in my Dropbox, and I'll click on where I saved it, which is right here. And notice it's an XPL file, which means that's explain everything. No big deal. The students will be able to open it in their app. So when they go to the app, they're going to see this, click on it, and then open in that file and to explain everything. And that's how you get it to your iPads for your students.